when the geese start preening like today's my time. Boots, scooting, feathers on the old fence line. Everybody's hunting for Honk-a-Tonk Valentine. Honk-a-Tonk Valentine, grab your partner, fall in line. Waddle left, wiggle right, let your tail feathers shine. From the hayloft hearts to the muddy swine, love gets rowdy on a Honk-a-Tonk Valentine. Curly Sue's got a ribbon in her hair. She's practicing her honk like she's breathing country air. The rooster's flexing like he's feeling fine, strutting for attention on Valentine. If ducks start quacking in a barbershop blend, the goats form a conga line around the bend. Even a shy old Thor tries to pick up a line. It's a barnyard bash to this Valentine. Honk-a-Tonk Valentine, grab your partner, fall in line. Waddle left, wiggle right, let your tail feathers shine. From the hayloft hearts to the muddy swine, love gets rowdy on a Honk-a-Tonk Valentine. Sway slow like they're living in a dream. No chocolates, no roses, just a soft honk sign. Stick with me, darling, be my Valentine. But then the fiddle kicks in and the barn doors swing. Critters pair for a dose of flame. Hay fly everywhere in a crooked line. That's how we celebrate Valentine. Honk-a-Tonk Valentine, grab your partner, fall in line. Waddle left, wiggle right, let your tail feathers shine. From the hayloft hearts to the muddy swine, love gets wild on a Honk-a-Tonk Valentine. If you hear soft clumps in the starry shine,